starting this up. Say something real quick?
Yep.
Okay, yeah, it's fine. Cool. But dude, at least we're not just pushing highs now. Like this is good because I like price action when it's easier to like target. Like whenever we're pushing higher and higher, it's just hard. Like even if I'm long, like I don't know where it wants to stop, and I want more data in that way.
There's no targets, dude. It's so
Yeah.
hard.
So like I try to hold runners, but like okay, it's like oh we got good points, and then it just pumps another 200 points. But relentless push.
Right.
We're about another push down too. Oh wait,
man.
do we have a good low? Is it? I guess another low is 370. That'd be crazy. That'd be like literally almost 600 points on NQ from that high of the CPI, which is not even that high. All right, let me turn my screen on. ES is gonna sweep some lows too. That's perfect. That's really good. Look at that projection target at 390s on NQ, which is basically at that recent low. Hello. Lanto, Desi, Brian, and Dodgy. Best group to learn. They threw Dodgy in here.
We gotta get dodgy, yeah. One of these
Oh my
streams.
Dumpy. Let's go. I'm all out there.
Lanto's in shorts, guys. He shorted 48 on ES. Just that internal high move up.
This is so beautiful, dude.
This is what I was manifesting yesterday, but I didn't get. But very clean. Today just gonna mark the day where we're gonna have like volatility again, like both sides, not just one-sided push up after this large 4-hour close here. And PPI might even finish everything. So, Desi, you said that the data was bullish. I don't want to pay attention there, but like I'm curious now, just like at the end of the day.
Yeah, I don't. This is like, I feel like if we bounce, it would be this daily gap from July 24th. Dude, ah man, I personally want so much lower, but dude, I don't think we're gonna get it.
We'll probably get it like throughout the week. We marked a very good high. We got tomorrow too. Tomorrow's Friday. It could just be where's the high there?
I would not mind if we run like that June 20, what is it? June 25 through July 2nd lows. But I don't know if we're gonna get down there.
Let's get everyone in here. Hello.
I'm kind of looking way ahead, Brian. I think we'll put in a monthly fair value gap this month, and then we'll trade back into it, and then send rest of the year.
21,000 plus.
Yeah.
I'm cool with that. As long as we take some of these lows, like at least like the 360 low.
Yeah.
Even like all the way back to 2100 or 20,100. and then we can build our way back up. Some good lows. Good area to target here. After being so aggressive. I'm also gonna try to look at the 15-minute. Like, if we get a flip on the 15-minute, I'll look for a long scalp backup. But I don't think I'm gonna try any long scalps anytime soon. Unless it's like very easy, equal highs or something. SMT there from the high.
Raise your mic, Brian.
Oh, is it? Let me see. Hello.
Someone in chat said it.
I'm moving closer. Alright, is that better? Is that better? Hello. Wait, I think I can twist this too. Is that better? Hello.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, Gotcha. How many people played CPI today? Press 1 if you played CPI, and 1, 2 if failed, 3 didn't. It was very clean delivery. If you guys were part of in the Discord where we're talking in the general chat, I showed where I was gonna take the trades. Let me see where it was. You can take a brief review. I think I was looking for age high pop. I think it was like 900 or 890, somewhere around there. For longs, and we got like an 80-point move up. All I need is 50 points to pass. And then for the move down was, I believe, the 850 or 830. I don't remember. It was one of those low. But you know, when you're playing news like that, you want very clean one-side delivery. There was no wick at the 830 candle, which is great for us. So that's guaranteed that we're gonna have a good time. My funded features prop firm doesn't allow news trades. Is that with evals or with funded? Because all we're talking about is for funded. We don't do news with the funded.
Yeah, news only for evals.
We don't want to risk them taking, because like news are risky enough, and to do it on something where you're not supposed to, like maybe it'll be, you won't get caught, but like if you do, like you're risking that account, a funded account. Why do that? When it's evals, like you can just run it. Yeah, so yeah, Dan, it's just funded. Same thing with Apex, same thing with a lot of other firms. Like they won't let you trade news unfunded, but eval is fair game, and that's where we're aiming at. And the way that I've discussed it, using on eval, you can focus more time on funded. So waiting for like CPI or non-farm payroll, that happens once a month. It's a good time to work on some evals. But what a dump. Did anyone catch shorts, or was there no entry for you guys today? It was quite sharp of a move down. Me and Desi was holding our swings, and we're doing pretty well there.
Give me a second, Lanta.
I don't know, because I alerted that. How long did it take? I was like, what the fuck? How's that not clear?
No, I just took the picture out of it. You put words on it too.
Even if you were a signal bot there, I think it worked out in my opinion. Because all I said was it's a turtle soup entry. Confirmation is one bearish displacement candle.
Lanto just took some shorts from this internal high grab. He's talking about maybe soup this high. He's looking for short above around 48s. Push down. That was like a nice 15-point move there.
Yeah, some people didn't take it. I'm just like confused on how that wasn't clear in my opinion.
It might just more so be like a conviction thing. They're like, oh, maybe it's too low, too short already. But this is what Lanto shared. Or no, it's not this one. Not this one. It's this one. At pop over 47, 48, he had looking for entries there, and his stop was at that is that the midpoint of the down close candle, or what is that yellow Blanto?
Oh, that's 5-minute gap.
Oh, 5 minute. Yeah, okay, yeah. He put that stop there, so about like a 4 point stop, and he's looking for a new low, which delivered beautifully.
Yeah, had stop midpoint. I just wanted to see a soup off that internal high, because we were so bearish to where I felt like just a soup of internal high, just that simple buy side objective.
Yeah, we saw liquidity
especially
down
on
there
NQ.
too.
Yeah,
So
just
good liquidity.
ADS just followed right back down. Yeah, you see NQ just super buy a couple ticks and just reverse back down. I don't get what wasn't clear about that.
They want to hear you say press the button, even though you gave the analysis and everything. It's really up to the user if they can like execute with all this commentary that we're giving.
Yeah, that's discouraging. I'm not gonna lie, but it is what it is. Because people still took, but like more people didn't take versus did take.
I'm not gonna lie, this is a crazy ratio.
What? I know.
It's just a conviction thing for them. It's hard to it's also hard to keep on shorting when it's like -2% on the day. They're like, oh, maybe this is the bottom. It's like no one to blame really. It's like if you're already shorting or if you're already bearish and you see someone else with a bearish like trade idea, then that's your conviction already. Any audio should be here.
We might get a pop here.
It was so low. I'm watching those equal highs on NQ. I want it to take another low first. But it's a very strong red day right now. Like this is -2% on the day after it pushing higher. It's like
up
that's
almost 1%.
that's 455 points on the red, and then another like 100 points that pumped up. That's crazy.
Yeah, dude, today's been insane. You look at that 4 hour, that daily, it's just crazy.
Dude, Desi, SQQ, that thing we're talking about, like it's actually so close to 770. I think that's what we were talking about.
Yeah. Dude, we're actually smacking the SQQ like pretty good.
Yeah. Paper-handed a little bit, like in hindsight, I guess, but damn, who knew that's gonna drop another 200 points?
You know what would have been perfect today?
What?
If you just woke up, shorted on top stat max leverage, and just let it ride down.
Let it ride down, and then you like take a wake up in the PM after a nap. It's like up like 12,000 per account.
I'm gonna close out some SQQ here, Brian.
I'm gonna try to hold it 770. I have like a quarter left on it.
Yeah, I'm out.
We're close. We're like 6 cents away. But yeah, guys, QQQ is like what correlates with NQ, but in shares form. It's an index, and if you SQQU, it's the inverse of it, but it's like high leverage. I think it's is it 3-time leverage or 5-time leverage, Desi? Do you know? It's something crazy.
It's 3.
It's just 3. It's 3. Yeah, we're down -2% on QQQ, but we're up 6 points, like nearly 6.6%. So 3 times leverage. So kind of what I've been doing, Robinhood. I would like swing shares if I'm bearish, and if I'm bullish, I would sell QQQ's cash secured puts. Maybe we can make a video on that. But it's been pretty good. Like each month, if you do that like properly and like have a good run on them, you can like make like 5 to 10% pretty easily with low risk per month.
Bitcoin, personally, for me to even think about playing upside, I'm gonna need like at least a 15-minute version or something.
Yeah, that's also saying
we have a 15-minute version, or we have a 15-minute fair value that's about to get put in 10 minutes. But until that goes, I'm gonna keep.
Yeah, that's also the way I run things too. Where the fuck? Let me put this. This is my checklist. Yeah, so we're bearish on all time frame except probably the daily right now until we get closure first. But for me to go for long, I would need that inverse on the 15-minute. I should be bearish. Make sure I keep this up to date. But it's pretty it might be that new meta to like trade a lot of fundeds and then roll your profits into like a safe long-term port.
Yeah. Yo, Lance, I just read that.
Dude, I don't even know, to be honest.
And guys, I actually started the day off today by taking a loss on NQ. When we swept those I think it was equal lows earlier today. We tapped into that 4-hour gap. We had S&T. I longed inversion, got stopped out, and I was like, all right. Short it all after that. When do you think a video like that would get done, dude? I have absolutely no idea.
We're so focused on trading, man. Like it's gonna be added to our to-do list, and if enough people like hammer us, we'll set like a weekend to work on a handful of videos.
Yeah, trust me. When we stop like lives or when we get off a live, whatever, we're not just like sitting around. I promise. We got cool things planned, and then obviously still working on trading itself as well.
Yeah, it's hard. Better. It's really hard to do a lot of things.
Both kind of. You get mentally exhausted. That's the thing. Like I'm already mentally fried after trading. Then I gotta put energy into other stuff that like requires my mental capacity. So.
Yeah.
Cool things planned. Hopefully by like end of 2024.
Yeah. But by then, we're also going to be focused on trading. Maybe our trading is going to be more evolved, more refined. Continue trying to work there. Do you still trust Apex? I have some payouts under review, so.
I'll let you guys know after that.
I'll let you guys know after.
I'll let you guys know after. One of our Ridge, if you guys know Ridge, he was under review, but he got approved. So for those under review, you guys have hope.
Yeah. But there's like, when people get denied and all that, they make a lot of noise. When people get approved, it's like kind of expected. So that's why you might see a lot more negativity. But there's going to be a point where like if they do like fall under, it's going to be a lot of payout denials. You're going to hear like 10 times more than what you're hearing now. It's just a lot of noise from people. But I have to see for myself. I have to see with Lanto because he's also waiting for a response. So like, we're unsure. We have no idea. We need to let them give us time or give them time to figure it out and get all the information they need. And then we'll let you guys know. We'll keep you guys updated. But it's really hard to say anything when like you're waiting for your payouts to get approved. It's like, even if it's like an investigation too, like you're still waiting and nothing is clear cut yet. Yeah, so the 15-minute candle closes in 6 minutes here at 1:15. We're gonna leave this 15-minute fair value gap. If we get a closure above with good displacement, I'm gonna look for long scalps. But until then, I'm just gonna try and focus on shorts, guys.
Ben, I promise you by Monday that shit will be gone. I promise you. Because I honestly, you're right. I don't even think about it because I don't even hear it no more.
Wait, what is it?
My fire alarm or my smoke alarm. I replaced the batteries and it still goes off. I don't understand. I mean, it happens like once every like a minute, I think.
Oh, really? I don't hear it.
Yeah. You're used to it, bro. You've been on too many calls with me.
That's weird. I don't know. But it's also a good thing, guys, to diversify. If you guys are scared of one firm, and especially if you need that payout, it's good to diversify with Top Step, with My Fund Futures, maybe with a different firm. Like, so you spread it out. So like some firm might take longer than others to get your payouts. You're not stuck with one, and if one needs an investigation or something, you can always have another one. Oh, still pressing lower. So I have these lows down here at 380 or 370s here. I would like them to get taken out first because after the next low after that is another 150 points away. This is already a beautiful delivery here. Same thing with ES. This is going to be likely the complete of the sell model here. Once we take out like 28s here, get a drive down. But yeah, let's see if we get any good trades, guys. It's kind of hard to just like stick with a bias. I think you should be nimble day because we're already negative 2% day on NQ, and you don't want to just marry it. We took a lot of liquidity, so I'm gonna try this. Play long, play short, whatever I see. Did you pass your My Fund Future accounts or just Apex? My Fund Future accounts, only some of them went through. The others I did not get it copied because I had the wrong trade copied. So we'll probably just save them for tomorrow. Was that Soup Short A+? I think that's for you, Lanto. Are you still here?
Yeah, it was A+ because I just had high conviction and sentiment. In the mass sell that we did have, I just thought we were going to see.
It looked really good. Like in hindsight, like I'm looking at it right now.
Yeah.
Like we dipped into that 15-minute fair value. I don't know if you were marking that too, but there's a beautiful distribution in there. To go lower.
Yeah. Once we saw both indices tag that internal high, it just gave me confirmation. ES was leading initially, like slightly, because we traded into that 5-minute gap as well. Yeah, or NQ didn't. NQ just swept that internal high and just boom, right back down it went. So yeah, it was. Because sentiment, for me, it's just, whenever it comes to like moves like that, just like a simple internal graph for continuation is like a no-brainer in my opinion.
Yeah.
So, yeah. As soon as we got that displacement candle, I immediately entered and boom, I just took my game.
We get that 15-minute candle close in 1 minute after the scandal here. And I would have want for longs. I wanted a nice bullish breaker.
Let's see the 1 minute. Let's see the 1 minute actually goes here. We have some bear SMT on the 1 minute, but if NQ could get above these highs, go.
Dude, everyone asked for 5 butted accounts. That's not gonna happen for My Fund Futures. We asked like 10 times. And
we literally had Sage in here, like we're spamming them up.
They all said no, so don't wish for it, guys. They keep on saying no. Like I think someone would already get leaked. Was it even like how did they word the announcement? They're like, was it like a big announcement? I remember Top Step trying to do that, and it was like the announcement was like a $20 sale or something. It's like nice.
Oh yeah, it was like $19 sale. Like they hyped that up for so long, just for it to be like.
I mean,
yeah,
they did. My Funny Future said, "Big announcement coming soon." What do you think it could be? Let's read these replies.
Can you vouch for that? Can you vouch for that? What someone what said in Discord is that Lanto said Sage leaked in his Discord. It's gonna be 5 accounts.
No way.
Can you vouch for that?
I'm pretty. Des, remember that? Remember he came in my Cord and he was talking about like 5 accounts, right? Remember that?
When was this? Anyone have a screenshot of this? This is like very old. I mean, he came in like no, because Sage came into our chat after.
What do you mean?
Or he came into our live after. Remember?
It was like a week ago. Remember when Sage came into my Discord chat and he was talking like.
Oh, but Lento, but Sage went on the YouTube stream like a few days after that, and he said no.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm wrong.
But that would be precedent over that. Yeah, so we're talking about the recent days. I think the recent stream we did, I think maybe it was last week. He came on and said no already, so
Yeah.
there's no point in trying to run back from 2 weeks ago saying, oh, but Safes might set this. But no, I think the recounts is fine. If that's their model right now, they have a nice transition to live going on. They can't copy everything from Tops Up now. That'd be unoriginal. They just copied Tops Up's blueprint word for word. This could be a 5-minute breaker here, bullish breaker. I need pretty strong displacement to be convicted on any longs right now. And same thing, this 15-minute here too. If we can inverse this, was this the 12:45 candle? Then I'll be focused on more longs.
Let's see.
There's a big spot here. This will give the bias the rest of the day, in my opinion.
If I'm being honest, I think we tab this 5-minute on NQ and just we just reject it. We'll see though. If we inverse, we could probably see a nice move. But dude, everything that's just popped today has gone right back down.
Yeah, it has. But we did hit like a nice low.
Yeah.
We have some more liquidity below. Maybe we'll get a bounce, but until we inverse this, I'm gonna see people looking lower.
Yeah, I agree. If we inverse this, there could be potential, but up until then, I'm still bearish.
We dipped inside that 15-minute curve right up to, and we're turning. We swept that relatively equal highs NQ. This could just flip back down pretty easily here.
I have router low at 361. I want to see that get taken out low key today. But that 4 hours insane. That is
Look at that 4 hour
insane.
close, 2 p.m. too. That's a,
Guys,
such a. We opened up at 870 and we're at like 400 points under right now.
Yeah, the high was 988
Crazy.
and we're at 467.
Yeah.
That's insane.
And apparently the CPI data release was bullish. It was data that's good for the inflation.
Yeah. That just shows you that macro.
It
People who swing macros just fucking get wrecked. Exactly.
It did initial pop and then like they just run that shit.
Yep.
And then let's see, Tech was pushing though. I think Apple finally did a nice push. It's been kind of a loser last few months, but what a rally. Same thing with Tesla. Dude, Tesla, like I'm looking at like an hourly chart. There's like 4 back-to-back gap up these last 2 weeks. The 150k My Fund Futures is 3.6k max payout per cycle. And it's 5 days, 5 green days per cycle. That's plenty. I don't think you will do more than that. If you do want more, though, go for the expert. But 3,600 every 5 green days, that's really plenty because you're also gonna try to leave a buffer too. And you get up to 6 payouts basically. So like if you do max payout 6 times, that's like over 22,000. I'm pretty sure that's how the My Fund Future works. I have the 50k started, but I might try to do the 150k as well with the guys. Because they're pretty good. You probably pair it well with Tops Up too. That's it. Yeah, so 5 winning days for payouts for 50k is $100, $200 for 100k, and then 150k you need $300 per winning day. So the same setup as Tops Up, 5 green days, and then also 40% consistency rule. Not too bad at all. The scaling plan, they do limit your sizing. That could be a good or bad thing. and each payout cycle 1,200 for 2,400 and 3,600 for 150K. That's a lot. That's really good. That's enough for 5 payouts there. And the price is 220. I believe if you use a code, it goes to 209, and the reset's $100. That's pretty good. That's pretty darn good. Any issues with payouts for micro futures? I think they've been pretty solid. As long as you're not trying to do any. Alright, let's see if we want to inverse this gap here. It's 5 and 15 minute. If we do, I'm expecting a breaker to be formed as well. And then we'll get probably retrace back higher. Good evening, good evening.
Good evening.
Evening.
Someone said that. He said evening, troops. So I was like, alright.
Where are you from,
What?
Liquidity King?
He might be from Australia. Oh, he might.
Ryan
Actually, no,
kangaroos and shit.
it's probably morning for them over there. 'Cause it's
Scotland.
15 hours ahead.
Scotland. Let me see what time it is. In
Scotland, mate.
Scotland time. 6:22 p.m. Interesting.
Europe is evening. Bro, what are you talking about? The world runs off America. What are you talking about?
America #1 Olympic time. Raw. America Eagles. Eagle. George Washington. Shout out.
Lance, did you see France was talking about like a 90% capital gains thing?
Oh, hell no. I'm good. Oh, hell no.
400K earners, bro.
90%.
That's you. That's you.
I'm good. Yo, anyone lives
Wait,
in France who's
who's-
a day trader? GG.
Who's all out of Europe in the chat?
How was the UK for tax?
Or
Freedom? I know
Asia.
Canada's already
Or
bad.
Asia.
England? Yo. Might have to boot Zen Zoned. I don't like English people.
Lanto, I don't like how you're racist. I'm gonna cancel your Discord.
No, I'm kidding. Hey, guys, you know what's funny? We made a joke a couple streams ago. I was on here with Desi and Brian, and someone canceled my room because he said I was racist.
What was it? Was it because like
It was
you
it
found
was
out
the
Sage was
Sage,
Indian?
yeah, Sage was Indian, and we were just trolling
It's
about
coming
it.
home. I like that.
And this guy like he canceled. He goes, "This guy's a clear racist."
Sage was
Yeah.
cool about it. That's all that matters. If he was offended, maybe, but like
Yeah.
No.
that was just
Lanto was saying it to me, bro.
Oh,
He's like, I don't like Punjabis or something, but he was obviously joking.
Yeah, if you guys think that's bad, oh. This you don't know what I tell Desi off voice chat. No, I'm kidding. No, we
I
just be
get verbally
trolling.
abused. I'm like, Brian, save me.
okay.
No, we just
okay,
joke
okay.
around.
Let's see. We got that 15-minute shot. I see a 1-minute breaker here. We didn't inverse it, so I'm still looking for a downside. We took that relative high. I like shorts here. Let's get canvas closer here.
Lanto, someone said you sound like Sketch.
Hey, brother.
Put it in, brother.
I don't move like him though. Don't you dare try to say that. Anyways.
He's worse. Hey, yo, Lanto got an OF, guys. You guys know this
Oh,
shit?
hell.
When you buy his Discord, that shit,
It comes with
Okay, it comes with the.
it comes with it.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Yeah, Lance's OS fire.
What do you guys think about the short here? If it comes back to this breaker, he got ripped by Apex. That's probably the case soon.
All right, now someone's gonna go to my Discord, cancel, and say I'm a homophobic person just because I made fun of Sketch. All right, I can't do this. I gotta chill out and just trade. All right, buddy, we're done. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah, Lance, look at my chat.
I think this is a decent scalp here.
I wish, yo, Brian, can you show that to
What?
chat, please? Please go to my market talk. Please just show the stream
Alright,
for
I'm
1
gonna do
second.
I'm about to leak your armpit photo. I swear to God. I'm about to do it.
I'm giving market talk. Oh, is that like already like spread everywhere?
No, I don't think your people have seen it, bro.
Oh.
I'm
Well,
gonna delete it.
I'll keep it
Show
private.
chat though.
You wanna
Aw, you're lame. You're lame. You're lame.
Wait, what happened?
I'm protecting you. They
No, I
don't need
know
to see
about
that. Those are paid content, premium content.
Yeah,
It's already
that's
exclusive
fake
enough.
content.
this. You think I'm trying? I'm going through my camera roll right now.
Oh, yeah, I deleted it. Chill out.
No.
Bro, me and Lato have so many fucking expose-worthy photos, dude.
Oh yeah.
Dude, that shit's from like 2022,
I like
right?
this short
I
hair.
think.
Let's see how we react off here. Yeah.
Honestly, Brian,
What?
I'm with you, but I'm not with you on this.
I'm gonna give it a
scared,
shot.
bro. Go ahead.
There's gonna be a scalp. Let's see if it runs it back. We got 68. Stop. 10-point stop. I want to see this candle closure though. It needs to turn this next candle here. Let's do the 5-minute. I think if this breaks, we're likely gonna inverse and push up higher. I have one in right now. 68. We're pushing. If we get a candle closure above 73, I'll likely just kill early. It depends if it takes me out first. Yeah, it's only 9-point stop right now. Very, very tight. But we're moving with this volatility. I'd rather keep it tight, get multiple tries on it. We're in this on moving on ES2, but we're likely going to close above. Alright, I guess that took me out for one mini there. Worth a shot, but let's see what inverses. I'll look for longs. ES close above 40, 642.75 would be the move.
We might have put in our low day for now, bro.
We might. Dono's longer now. He's like, sorry, Brian. He's like, this is the reason why it's pumping.
Yeah, look at our chat.
This is good. I kept the stop tight, guys. Let's go see what next trade.
Play the edges. We're in our PM macro here, 2040 macro.
Do you want to see the 5-minute inverse or the 15? They're kind of the same area. How do they hear the smoke alarm? Maybe, I think the Discord is not showing it or something.
Is Chad still talking about it?
Alright.
Yeah, someone. Do you guys want longs here, chat? We kind of got a good push, and NQ's trying to pick a jab higher, equal highs on NQ so far. I don't know if that just wicked us out there, but let's see.
All right, if this goes inversion, I'll give it one more downside look. I wanted long for upside, but if we hold this little SMT here, I think.
I have a slight SMT here. That really just took me out. I'm gonna see if I either want to keep looking for shorts or flip long, depending on what this does here. How's YM doing? Is YM green today? It's still green. Wow. Yes, flipping. I really do sometimes hate when we get a short going and it's stop loss too tight, but that did run like about 5 points above. The only answer is like if we want to get a re-entry, which I'm waiting to see if
I think we for sure going to like 40s, low 40s here.
chat says they have
Off this-
shorts right now.
Yeah, I like low 40s here to get tabbed. All right, I'll take a small jab.
For shorts, 240s. I think Desi's looking for shorts right now. I'm gonna let it play out a little bit more. We got decent SMT here off these highs, off this 60-minute. But we also feel this ES too. It's looking decent wise. But NQ's pretty relentless right now. It's not ready, Big Alex says. I think maybe it's safer to give it a little more time here.
Let's see how we do here.
Yeah, I think whatever happens, we can play that fall through.
I think we're still kind of bearish because of the reaction we got off that 5-minute gap, but
Yeah, we filled it nicely.
Yeah, we
ES.
failed his lower time frame BPR too.
it's just I like these days, but I just wish they gave more entry points, sort of. But these days are very clear, very obvious.
It looks like it wants to go more down though. I think we stick with
Yeah.
the trend to be 15-minute.
Oh, I think low 40s is a really good target here. Where is the NFP low, Brian? Johnny mentioned in my chat right now.
And non-farm payroll?
Yeah.
Do we make it low? I don't even know. What was that? First Friday of the week? Oh, of the month?
Yeah,
Friday. Oh, yeah, it's at 370. I think that's the low that we're all looking at. 370, 360.
Yeah.
I'm still favoring shorts right now until this 15-minute verse. That's going to be my plan right now. So we're kind of just looking for shorts, looking for an entry model.
Very slow.
If it doesn't align with your bias, guys, and we're looking for shorts, make sure you press your own buttons. Don't just only be a signal bot.
Yeah, I got a mini in it. It's 20 points.
Let's see it push. I am still watching for a entry.
If I mute, I'm gonna be talking to my mom.
Yeah. I'll probably look for one more. I want decent on top step, but I just want to get one more trade out.
Yeah, hopefully we get a short 2 new lows. Looks pretty good already.
Yeah.
They did just push it out, fake out there.
Just kind of indecisive here. Very slow.
Many people in the chat are in shorts right now. That's the sentiment for me as well, and many others. It's just chopping back and forth.
Yeah. I think we'll get an impulse move here soon. It's just indecisive for right now.
There's some push there.
Let's see if this gets
area. 50 secure for now. What's your strategy? We talked about evals, basically increase sizing, whatever I do unfunded.
Yo, Reg is so lost.
What happened?
He called the group chat. I want to see some decisiveness here, though. Like, I want to see just boom. Have your move here. Stop being indecisive. We rejected that 5-minute gap. We should see a move down here. If you guys recalled yesterday's close, sort of, or like the PM session, we had a 5-minute gap on NQ that we ended up trading in for like over 2 hours. I just don't want that today. I don't think it will happen, but I just want to see decisiveness thoroughly. Good flip here.
Good push. Can you talk about the CPI news trade you took this morning? We have a recording like discussing like the topic about it, and we hosted mini planning session. I would try to join the next planning session, which could be the next non-farm payroll, next FOMC. There's like basically 3-4 big news each month. And we try to host 1 or 2 per month.
Pretty interesting move here. I want to see us flush lower. And just die off here, essentially.
Good distribution down there. Yeah, that short at 668, that one I had earlier, that unicorn. Stop was too tight on that one. Balls all day. We could have looked for re-entry, but I don't know if I got the best look there. But yeah, risk about 9 points. Next one, hopefully we can get a good move on our side. So those guys in shorts are now looking pretty good.
What? What?
What?
Nothing. Wait, I thought you said something else. Yeah, good move though. There are the 40s. We rejected that 5-minute gap. Nice.
Those guys in shorts looking good. Oh, I guess you guys see it like that. Whoever's in shorts right now, a lot of people chat re-entered. I didn't do that, of course. I was trying to. I want to see what if it retraces back up to this BPR. Maybe we'll take it there, but just watching. Those guys in shorts looking pretty good. Dang, they really worked us out though, or worked me out for those who took that breaker. This is why it's really hard to do very tight stops on volatile days. See if we get the next one. Is it too late to join shorts? It's just been depending on conviction. Whenever you look to take an entry, like you want to have a good spot where you can put a stop, your stop loss, and that'll be like where it would invalidate the setup. So for this to keep on continue downwards, and you take a short anywhere, it can retrace back up to this 1 minute here, and if that's where your stop is, you can just retrace, take your stop, and keep on going lower. You would try to put an area where it would
Yeah.
protect you. We're getting pushed up there. We could inverse this 1 minute and create a breaker move back up. But it's still going to be counter trend if I take longs right now until with the 15-minute inverses. We'll see what happens.
Yeah, we're just slowly trading now, to be honest. I still want to see 361. The only way I'm going to flip bullish is
So
if we still
tight.
inverse this 5-minute gap. I'm still bearish fully.
Yeah, I'm looking at any scalp potential right now. This is equal highs here. Let me see
Yeah, I'm
if
back,
we
I'm back.
inverse this.
Yeah.
You held those shorts, Desi?
To low 40s, yeah.
No.
I could show you. Oh,
Gotta
good.
try to see any shorts I can get. We could just retrace the fell down there. That could have been entry itself. If you guys are convicted with the downside. You don't like putting midline in your boxes? Not for the 1 minute, like the smaller box. I have it on the higher time frame ones.
Guys, anyone in chat take that inversion?
Which candle was it, Desi? Was it 127?
131.
31.
The only reason I was actually gonna look for
okay.
higher prices, but I saw that SMT and then I was like, okay, this is within that PM session macro too. So.
Wait, we have SMT of these lows. If NQ can push back up, we're just bouncing back and forth for now until we see the clear. For those in shorts, I think you have good riding. As long as we don't come back up, so we just redistribute on this 1 minute. I'm liking these lows right now. But let's see what happens to SMT here. Still, tech is the bearish, more bearish asset, so I'm gonna try to focus shorts there. Apex just messaged me, texted me saying 80% extended to July 31st.
They didn't post it on the Discord, huh?
Yeah, they did. I don't think they did.
I'm banned from their Discord. That's wild.
It's Prodigy probably who banned you too.
Dude, you know what's crazy though? I won't be able to like recognize it if there's like outages or something going on. I can't really tell now because I'm banned out the court. Crazy.
There's some cool mods in there, but there's that select few that is very like power tripping.
Oh yeah.
And that's like when we talk shit about Apex mods, we're talking about those select few. Like there's still a lot of helpful ones.
Yeah, Chris is a really good one. I like that guy.
Chris is good.
Yeah.
I think there's some others like Trade Kage is good. There's a handful of good ones. There's some admins are good too.
Dude, it's the ones with the $10 an hour payroll that feel like they could do whatever they want. It's just, dude, like Prodigy, man. Happened to Brian too, but like I was cool with Prodigy, and then out of nowhere he just like comes out and starts dissing.
I have no idea what it is.
Let's go.
That's good right there.
There's the fucking
Beautiful
version, bro.
New lows, beautiful.
Nice SMT, bro. Nice.
But these days are so good when they give entry. Like you could really accomplish so much work.
Yeah.
Today.
Dude, my short at 668 stopped out for 9 points. Now it's like
holy, look at that.
Too. God damn.
Just free falling off that 5-minute gap.
Congrats to those who re-entered in the shorts. Daz even took that inverted trade. Good. We're just trying to play what we see here. I think the only reason we would have tried longs if we inverse the 15-minute fair value gap, which ES basically filled, but came lower. I got in late, already up 20 points. Still very nice. Oh yeah, Desi just got like about 30 points from his. Wait, your entry was like 450s, I think. Probably TP'd out already, but still a good trade.
Entry was 59.
Yeah. 26 points, nice. Some people are complaining about not holding. It's all good, man. Profit's profit. Good trade.
Yeah, especially, yeah, it's volatile too. So
We all were looking down too. Let's see if it wants to hammer these lows, especially on ES. ES is like right there. Like we're gonna draw down to 28 here. But lots of things you guys want to stay with the higher time frame. So for intraday, I'm looking at 15 minute and hourly, depending on which the time frame I execute on. There's a 1 minute. I'm looking at 15 minute. This is going to be continuously bearish until the 15 minute flips. And every time we create a 15 minute fair value gap, it always gets respected. That's why I worked pretty well there.
Dude, we are just here comes 361. We're definitely taking 361.
This is a bearish rig too.
Look at that beaut, bro. Look how nice that is.
Yeah, well done, man. I was too scared to hold, not gonna lie. That's gonna be a learning thing. But as long as you're focused on making more than you risk and having a like focus on a good win rate on it, above 50, that's an edge.
Dude, days like today is like where you just gap your express accounts on Top Step.
Yeah, and
bad
runners would have banked. You just enter a trade and then break a stop somewhere, put a good stop somewhere, a green stop even, and let it ride. Okay, what is the SQQ at now? It's at 765, Desi. I think we go down another like 60 points. We'll hit that 770. I'll probably flatten all there. Do you like if we inverse this 1 minute, Desi?
yes.
Is that it's still going to be like pound trend, but like, do you like that for a potential scalp since we took that low?
I have a. Did we take that ES low as well?
Yeah,
dude, I don't know. I've had too many trend days where I was trading inversions. Yeah, I need a higher time frame, bro. Like what I would like use for a trend flip is like, let's say a 15 minute goes inverse, and we would trade back into that. And then the 1 minute we also get an inversion. That right there is like high probability to me. Kind of like how we did to the downside, right? We traded into a 15 minute bearish gap and then had a 1 minute inversion, something like that.
Yeah, that's probably why we're going to have to wait for like a higher time frame flip before looking at considering low time frame entries.
Yeah, for those in the stream who didn't know, I took QQQ puts 2 days ago on Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday, I took them, or Tuesday, and I was down like 80% this morning. I'm not gonna lie.
Now you're up 1,000%.
Now we're up like, I think it's like 100. Check right now. 123%. I always size for zero on my options for this reason.
That's good because
the timing could be a little bit off.
My main target for even my swings, I think I was looking at a break under 580s, and we're like 800, 900. So this is like very clear liquidity for me.
Just FYI, guys, from high to low, we have now officially moved over 500 points. That is crazy.
It's already nearly 500 alone without looking at the upside.
I feel like, imagine like waking up, like you fell asleep in a short trade, you just wake up to absolute.
Oh my god, don't even.
It's one of those things that happen to your account where like you left your order on and it's like, oh, I short the high, and let's say the ghost were reversed on you and you log in Apex, it's up like 30,000 on like 500 points.
Yeah, you'd be cooked though. You need like 100k just to request.
Yeah, dead ass. Your ass getting denied, bro, for the next like 6 months.
They're they're gonna deny you because you made too much money. So every other day, even you make like 5k a day, like nope, that's consistency. You gotta keep it consistent. At least Top Step though, if you left out Top Step, man, you'll withdraw that next day as long as you get 4 more days.
Dude, Days like today on top, bro. I'm so mad I didn't capitalize more,
Yeah,
but
we have tomorrow
Bro,
too. Tomorrow's probably gonna be good. PPI after.
the I got like I don't like losing the full 3K like loss limit. So I took my first trade on Top Step and I called it, dude. And that for my first trade was a loss. And then I was like, all right, let me just focus on my Apex accounts. Fucking pain, dude.
I think it's falling off a cliff right now.
yeah, this is just completely gone right now.
I think we might get like a mock move, Brian, up.
Oh, the 350 candle.
Yeah.
Oh.
One sec.
What do you guys think at this moment right now? Lower prices or higher? Because we're getting very close to these lows right
dude.
now.
Yeah, anything that we do see moving upside, I do think it just comes right back down.
Yeah,
Essentially.
it's gonna be a magnet right now.
Yeah. Yeah, look at that flip right back down. This is probably attack 361 to be honest.
Yeah, push. We're close to ES right now. If we do a false move back up and inverse down, I'm gonna probably try the risky scalp lower prices. Let's create another 5-minute here. Still thinking lower. Getting close to these lows. Gonna try to keep on shorting until we get them.
Dude, I think the NFP low, I think Johnny is right about that.
370, 360, yeah.
We're gonna come smack it.
What do you think is good time to be bullish? I might try to build like a long position on my long-term port just to get like a swing back up, but I don't want to get.
I think honestly, I think you'd be good off of
like
373 because I like that
373.
those daily gaps that are stacked right there. Near like anything under 200 is GG's, but
yeah,
around 309, 30, 310.
I like 200, 300 right now. Maybe I'll try to build one there. If we get a closure above, that's that one-way breaker, but I want to probably see it fail, and that'll give me conviction to slam shorts. But well, we're getting very close, strong sell-off, and we're getting very close to like liquidity. If we get low, more people are gonna pile in, and they might just rip a reversal, a temporary one at least, but it could be a big ripper. So gotta be careful of that. That happens often on news days. but we need to see strong displacement too. Another low made on NQ here. NQ is so weak.
361.
That's what we're looking at. Yeah.
It's a slow burner.
Yeah. We're about to get like a fat candle, bro, to the downside, in my opinion.
Yeah. Just
We're also looking for that low at 56.28. It's only like 4 points away on ES right now. It's gonna propel NQ to that low as well. Let me mark this out.
what's propelling you to go long at 371, Bobber? I don't know if I like that idea. Maybe for a pivot, I guess, if you're anticipating a soup.
I think yeah, he's looking at that low grab, but is that gonna be like a scalp long or is that gonna be like a swing? I think I would like it for a swing if we take that low. Probably gonna expect like another retrace back up sometime next week.
Yeah.
This marks the day of the bear market. This is the high of the century, guys.
It's our all-time high.
We're gonna go back to 10,000 NQ.
Stop.
I wish. Bro, I wish.
Dude, everyone's 401k would be rinsed.
I don't give a fuck. I will start my 401k there. I am,
That-
bro.
Dude, that's what happens if it's like the election. It's gonna be like a candidate that wins that you don't expect. It could be like Kamala Harris gonna win. They're gonna send it all the way down.
Dude, Kamala Harris gotta be the worst VP of all time. I'm not even trolling. We didn't show. That's the only thing I ever heard from her in my life is we didn't show. That's all I've ever heard. I swear to God. I don't know anything else about her.
Lanta moaning that before GTA 6 is crazy.
You're gonna be the next president of the United States.
Dude, I hope they run that golf match, dude. That should be so fucking funny.
Dude,
Someone
dude.
said I got the bet on one of them dying on the course. I was like,
Nah,
damn.
that's crazy. Dude, nah, they were like full on like mad at each other.
Yeah.
Biden was like talking shit. Donald Trump was like, I never said that before, you're lying. You're lying, I never said that before.
So you actually have a good impression.
That was
Bro,
very good.
Dumbasses.
Oh, Desi, we're 768 right now. 769. Dude. Oh, I'm about to just fly all here.
Short it.
That's such a
Short
good
it all.
area. What do you think about flipping on the long-term port though? After we get
Dude,
down to 370?
this is what I've been doing
I kinda
every
want
single time
can
this
average
year.
that
Every
too.
time we go into like a weekly PD array, I always average, bro. I just keep buying.
Yeah. I mean, this is a 600-point candle or from the highs. And we're taking good liquidity. Let me check the weekly chart again. This is not weekly.
This DCA, bro. DCA.
Go back all at 20,000. That'd be a good area. That order block, the weekly order block.
This year especially, you can be hella aggressive with that dollar cost averaging.
Yeah.
Dude, can we just get a free fall? Like, just free fall back down to like COVID times, you know? COVID price, and let me just.
You need
go from
another
there.
incident.
Bro, it's just like there's no way I'm investing into the S&P prices. I know it's super hindsight because we'll look back in like 5 years and the S&P will be at like 800 or whatever it is. I can't. Bro, the ROI is just too little. You put so much upfront for such a little ROI.
Mm-hmm.
It's like we're traders. We're supposed to know how to garner a bigger ROI. Like you just put money in crypto, you'll make more money instantly. So.
Let me see if there's any short opportunity. Any rip up? I'm trying to see if we can smack it down.
It's just I'm not trying to, like put in 100K into a 401k just for 6%. Excuse me, 6% APY. That's just not enough.
6%. It's good to have good passive income at least. I have some. They base it in the raw, but it gives you 5%. But I'm also doing simultaneously. I'm also like building that passive income with like selling options and all that. So like,
here,
now
bro,
that shit runs up.
You do that via the S&P, but you put that into crypto and you could yield 20% plus within the first year. Probably more.
20%. Crypto is kind of dangerous though. I guess it depends where you take an entry on.
Well,
where's crypto right now?
Yeah, just get it. All you have to, bro, just
get a good entry.
A simple entry.
Buy the bottom.
What we got, bro. When we're free falling, that is when you buy. Simple as. Have you ever watched The Big Short? Everyone's panic selling. That's when he buys. You know what I'm saying?
That's financial advice from Mental Trade, guys.
No.
But no, I think guarantee income or guarantee interest is pretty solid for Rob at least, because I don't have to take a trade. Like let's say 1 month, I'll take like probably 1 or 2 trades on Robinhood. The rest of the days it'll give me like about $30-$40 per day. Just interest. It's like that's not bad at all.
You know what someone of my core used to say? I banned him, but there used to be a guy every single day when we would just be on a crazy uptrend for like 2-3 months on indices. Dude, and he would just be like, "Did you guys buy the dip today? Did you buy the dip?" Every single day he would just walk in there, he'd just be like, "Guys, did you buy the dip?" I'll literally find that. I'll literally find his log right now.
We have quad lows at 56.30 on ES right now, and then right underneath that's the low I want at 28. So let's get it. Let's get a pump here.
Short the
take out the internal high, and then try to smack it down.
So he said buy the dip, but what if the dip just keeps dipping?
You just hold for 6 months, you'll be green.
Yeah.
Up to a year.
That's my mood when every time I buy SQQQ, eventually it's gonna go down, right?
Yeah.
Like dead ass.
I think what he should do now is just buy now, stops yearly lows, profits all-time highs. That's what I think is a good idea. That's a good idea.
Yeah, it's still slamming. God damn. Here we go.
Slammy Brian. Hey yo.
This was after this is the first big sell day after like so many consecutive green days too.
No,
like,
I know.
Even the last one since July 1st, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 consecutive green days. So
if you guys just want reference, just go to that 4-hour, that daily, bro. It's crazy how much one sell day can impact the market.
We just entered the 50% under 400 on NQ. Probably not even close on ES. So it might be too early to swing any longs right now for me. Yeah, I think I do like lower. To do that to premium.
Dude, my uncle hit me up a couple weeks back, and he's like, "I need help with my long-term portfolio," and I was like, "Oh, I bet." He's like, "I'm like, what do you have invested?" He's like, "Yeah, mostly indices and maybe a different few things." And I check his portfolio. We're trading at all-time highs, and his portfolio is still down.
Whoa, are you serious? What is it like? Not NQ and ES or SPY and QQ? It's like some random one.
He said he had indices, but like 20% of his portfolio were indices. A lot of what his investments were in different stocks. Fluctuating, like Walmart, McDonald's, just different things.
Yeah. And yeah, hit a winner somewhere. Any big tech, he would have won probably big.
Yeah. He's up really good on Nvidia.
That's good.
But like he has a small percentage
Nvidia instead of like Intel or something. Intel's doing pretty bad right now, right?
It's yeah, I don't know, it's crazy.
I got effed on Intel so bad. What is that? I'm still down.
Who remembers PFE, those good old days?
Is that Pennysoft?
Huh?
No, Pfizer.
Oh, fine. Okay, never mind. COVID time, okay.
Baby. Yeah.
Yo, YM's green, bro. YM still needs to take out all-time high. Look at the daily chart.
I saw YM.
My daily chart's actually disgusting.
Alright, let's see the... I think we still want to take these lows, though. We'll take the lows, and we'll likely try to build back up for a long. Yeah, closer to the power hour.
if I were to give advice, not financial advice, if you're a trader or like in the field, I'd probably say you should know if you're a day trader, you should not be investing into the S&P long term. You should just know that shouldn't be a thing. Your ROI is just too little. I don't care what anyone
Dude,
says.
that is such a terrible take. That might honestly be your worst take you've ever had.
What?
Genuinely, that might be worse.
If you're a day
Lentil.
trader, you know how to trade. Why
Wait.
would you not branch out into
But you
things
can
you're
do both,
educated in?
though. You can do both.
Listen.
That-
Listen. An average investor, I would say, or an average person, I would say, like, okay, go ahead, invest into a 401k, just because they're inexperienced. They don't know much about day trading, or they don't know much about trading in general, the stock market. We're very experienced. Why would we put something into something that we know doesn't yield us the best, where we could put it somewhere else with high probability, just because we're traders? We know how to trade. Why would we not do that? You know, if you're a trader, if you're a casual Joe, like average Joe investor, yeah, do whatever you got to do. 401k, just do that. I'm talking about like traders like us. Why would we put money into indices when we can just do that in different stocks or crypto? That's what I'm trying to say.
Well, you can put a percentage anyways.
Right.
If you have big port, you can take like 20% of it to like invest safely somewhere.
All
Go
right,
all
Brian.
in.
You know what? I don't want to hear it. No, I'm kidding.
What does chat think about Lentil's take there?
Dude, that's the worst take of 2024. I'm so sorry.
Dude, if you're a trader, you're experienced enough to know
Can you
where to
summarize
branch
your
out.
take one more time, Lentil? Is it like you don't? If you're a trader, do not invest long term in the S&P?
Well, you could invest partials into it. I think a majority of your long-term holdings should be branched out elsewise. Because if you're a day trader, if you know how to trade, why would you put money into a indice or an investment that you know your APY is going to be one of the lowest out of the whole entire market when
So
you know how to trade?
Okay, I'm confused. Are you saying don't trade, don't hold trades if you're a day trader, like long term, or don't hold indices?
Hold on, Brian. Look at chat. Look at chat. Look at.
They said agreed. Lentil spitting facts.
Yo, how much Lanta pay y'all, bro?
Yo, look at group chat.
How much Lanta pay y'all to agree with them?
Yo, look at group chat. Oh my god. Nah, I just think if you're an experienced day trader, if you're an average Joe, invest into the 401k because you have no idea how the market works. If you're experienced, why would you put it into something that generates you one of the lowest ROIs in the whole entire market? Branch it out to different tickers or do crypto.
No, you
Bro.
should. Okay. That I know what you're saying. My least holdings is SPY QQQ. I have more individual tickers.
That's fair. That's what I'm trying to say. That's literally what I'm trying to say. I don't know what you guys are.
No, I'll
reading
just
out
ask
of
you,
it,
like, is it like don't hold indices, or you can hold stocks, but just like individual stocks, like Nvidia or Tesla or something? Do you want like, something like that?
well, yeah,
Or you
that's
don't want to hold at all. I think that's what
something that would just heal me. Oh my god,
The world's about to crash out.
bro, Brian, you're testing me, bro. You gotta chill the fuck out,
I'm genuinely asking. I'm not even trying to start anything. I'm
Y'all
just
can see
making
what
sure
Lance posting in the chat.
bro. Nah, I just think
Is that the guy? Is that guy that's saying in the chat right now? He's like, essentially, he's saying, if you're a day trader, what's the point in swing trading? Is that kind of what you're saying?
It's
Or
barely
no?
not. It's barely 11 o'clock. Save us.
essentially saying if you're a day trader, what's the point in swing? No, oh my god. Long-term investing. Long-term investing. If you're long-term investing, why would you invest into the S&P when you're a day trader and you have knowledge and experience in different tickers in the market?
Yeah.
Put your money into different
just the
tickers to yield a
S&P?
higher APY. That's all I'm saying. Why would you do that if you're a day trader? S&P is the most bland and boring thing you could invest into. If you have experience, you should know to invest in somewhere else.
Because the S&P, bro.
Done.
Let's just say like you rotate a lot of money into like the bear markets, bro. You're getting 30 to 40% every time in a year and a half or so. That's pretty good.
Yeah, dude. Especially
the
with COVID
S&P?
death, that shit went crazy.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
QQQ,
dude.
Since
Yeah,
20,
even
bro.
QQQ.
QQQ is up 30% this year. 30%, Lanto. It's 6 months in.
I don't think you
7
can beat
months in.
that for holding individual.
We are, no, seriously. Look at SPY QQQ. We're up like.
Well, I could just buy
Crazy.
Ethereum at $1,000 and sell it at $3,000 for.
Yeah, you could also get. Yeah,
At
you
200%,
can. Obviously, yeah, you
at
can.
200% ROI, and it's inside 6 months.
You
So
can.
that Lanto
I'm not saying you
back.
can't. Yo, Lanto, lay off the crack, eh? I know you're rich. I know you buying crack.
All right. Wait, how does that make? Okay. Anyways,
Rich people
It's
snort
New
crack.
Jersey thing too.
Yeah, it has to be a Jersey thing.
It might
New
just be a
Jersey,
white
New
people
York,
thing.
filled with crackheads. I heard.
Ryan, shut up. You're from Florida, bro.
We got gators.
Florida are filled with a bunch of Jersey natives. So I don't want to.
What?
Yes.
He's
Yes.
basically saying he runs your.
Yeah, Florida's an extension of Jersey. So I don't want to hear
the,
it.
the rich people from New Jersey migrated to a better land.
No, they do. I swear to God. I swear to God. Either kids go to college there, or there's people who retire and go there. I promise you that. I swear to God. Anyways.
But yeah, besides that, I think my perspective on something like Leto was talking about, I think diversifying is something I like more. That's what I lean towards. So I could be like trading with like 20% of my port, just day trading. I could put another 20% like long term somewhere. I can put another 20% like swinging weeklies, some selling options. I like spreading it out more.
Hunter Biden meth? No, I'm not that deep in. Trust me. No, it is what it is, I guess. But if you like had to give me a choice between investing a good chunk of my money in the S&P or crypto, I'm doing crypto long term.
Crypto?
Yep.
I don't think I know too much about crypto or practice enough to like be confident in trading it.
Here's what you do. When people sell and panic, you buy. Simple as that. So
I mean,
when,
You
can
have
do
a
the same
stop
thing
when
with
you try to do
indices,
that?
bro.
Yeah, you can do the same thing with indices. You can buy right now when people are panicking.
well, you're not netting the ROI you are off Ethereum versus the S&P.
It depends on the leverage. Like me and Desi running up SQP, which
Shares.
is triple leverage.
Just shares.
Yeah,
Just
triple
shares.
leverage though.
Just talk about shares. You put $100,000 into the S&P this year versus crypto this year. If you just obviously buy near the right time, you're netting a crazy.
All right. Let's see. Let me look this up. I'm gonna look at the Bitcoin chart. I'm gonna look at the SPY chart. I'm gonna see how big.
For the year to date, like since January
Yep,
1.
no, we're looking at it right now. I'm going to
Don't do
daily.
Bitcoin. Don't do Bitcoin. Do Ethereum.
All right, I'll do Ethereum.
All right, let's go.
It's gonna be Ethereum versus
January,
NQ,
right?
NQ is higher.
January.
Yep.
You still have lows down here, guys.
1 second. January.
Holy.
15-minute candle close in 1 more minute. I want to really see this.
January.
I think I still want shorts.
Look at that
Looking
buy
for pop
candle.
up.
All right. SPY's up 20.6%.
No, you look at QQU. Don't look at SPY since he's picking Ethereum.
yeah.
Might as well
No,
pick
no.
a strong asset.
QQQ.
Just go to low to high. Just go to low to high in the year.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. God, we gotta go back so far.
I want to do it too as well.
Bro thinks I'm gonna rig the numbers.
Yep. Based. Nah.
Hold up.
Someone said
Okay,
31% to 14%.
All right, QQQ is up 27.8.
Since January 1st, right?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, you should have accounted for it before today, like yesterday.
Ethereum to right now is up 51%.
That's good.
So
You could do the same thing with triple leverage
Okay.
with
And
QQU.
It is more risk Rory type of thing because crypto goes
Yeah,
down
it is.
80%.
Crypto's crap.
Indices go down like 20%.
but if you bought on January 1st and you sold at highs, obviously you're not going to do that, but just do that on Ethereum versus QQQ. Major difference. So
That's because Ethereum or Bitcoin is having a rally this year, but like other years, I don't know if that's the same case.
Guys, I want this 15 minutes to get slammed one last time.
right, go to historics to tell me whenever we do see a downside move that crypto does not seek movement back to the upside.
Yeah, but like I don't know if you want to hold for months in heavy drawdown.
Well, you have to time it. Obviously, hindsight. Obviously, you could say that, but you could just DCA long-term shares. You could also do that, but I just think the ROI based off crypto is a lot better because you
It's
get
more
the ROI
volatile.
quicker as well. It
Yeah,
is more
but, like-
volatile, which is why I like it. This goes back to it. We're traders. We know how to trade, so we know how to deal with it. We know what to do. So that's
Yeah,
what I'm
but
saying.
the analysis
Dude,
we have, I think, applies better on markets like that we
Okay,
regularly trade than
All right.
than
I'm
crypto.
okay.
That
If you want to be a missionary, bitch, go ahead. All right. I'm done about this.
Wow.
I think Ethereum's the best way to go. If you don't think so, you could be missionary
Dude,
guy and go
Lanto,
with the
it's
S&P.
it's a
We're done.
preference, dude. It's literally
The-
preference.
This is how you know Lanto has like 800k in Ethereum, bro. Bro's trying to pump
No.
it single-handedly on this stream.
Everyone buy it.
He's like, everyone buy it, please, please.
Dude, it's just like
Lanto rolled all of his Apex profits into Ethereum, and
God.
he needs a pump. Wait, it's probably pumping right now. You're already green.
what do you mean?
If you have $1 million in Ethereum, you're probably already good. Let me see. Ethereum.
1 second.
You could probably do the same thing with oil, no? Isn't oil like very highly leveraged?
Anyways, my point was just I feel like I don't know.
We get your
Big
point. We're
Galaxy.
just saying this is a preference.
Brian and
thing.
Lanto have arguments all the time, and they always at me, just be like, "Am I right or is Lanto right?" And I'm like in the middle. I'm like, "I don't know, bro. You guys are both dumb."
Dude, we had an argument one time because I don't know. It was me, Brian, and
was
Rich. We had an
Joe
argument one
Rich.
time because I DoorDash food, and Brian was like, "You shouldn't be doing that," and Rich was
No,
like, "Yeah,
no.
he should."
Well, don't make it like that context. The context is like, oh, long term, this is probably not sustainable, or like unless you have good money like built up, because it's like you're building up like your expense. I think Raider's saying like, he has a lot of money, fuck it, spend a lot, do whatever you need. I'm talking about good habits. I think
it
that
was
I was talking about
like
habits.
the place was like 2 minutes away from him, and he DoorDashed.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, it was like a 2-minute walk, and I didn't go. I just DoorDashed it. That's bad.
But you do that a lot though, which is fine because you're doing well. But Rage out here saying like, oh, if you're Andrew Tate, he would have drive there too. It's like, we're not Andrew Tate. We're trying to build our wealth deal.
I'm not no Andrew Tate. Maybe in the future, definitely not now.
Hey, Dono, there you go.
Invested around 2 mil in crypto, is up at 6 mil at the moment. 9 mil.
Well, there you go,
That's
Dono.
crazy.
There
Dono's
you go,
heavy
Dono.
crypto, though.
Dono's proving my point. Thank you, my guy. Tell me when the S&P's ever giving you that ROI. Tell me one time. One time. Exactly. My point.
Bro, the S&P is not going down 85% of the time every bear market though.
Yeah,
It's
it
so,
does
bro.
do that. Only in COVID time where we dropped like 40%.
Okay, if you're not taking profit off big moves in crypto, like I don't know what you're doing, right? Because if you have a really good average and you've seen an extensive move through like a bull run, if you're not taking profit at least partially, I don't know what you're doing.
Gambling.
So if you're holding for that 80,
Their one is crazy though. Like, like I remember at the start it goes up 20,000 and it goes straight back down like 3,000 or something like that. I was like, wow, that's very volatile and not something I think I would enjoy too much. But if you're looking for that leverage,
Guys, just buy
big dollar
NFTs,
moves.
bro.
So, yeah, no other market gives you 90% discount, and then it ends up just trading right back to highs, right? The S&P won't ever do that to you, ever.
Just
You look at
gotta be
COVID times as
careful
well.
every 4 years.
Fuck it, Lanto. You want leverage? Just take option leaps, bro. You'll be alright.
No. I think shares, just high leverage shares.
Anything can be leveraged though. Like if you're trying to compare QQ versus Bitcoin, like you could just run up trade evade like high leverage, or with the contracts with the mini contracts. That'd be high leverage or enough. All they need is like I think 10,000 per contract per mini a trade evade to swing them.
Zero C options. Oh, don't get me started with that, bro. Desi, how the fuck did we make the money we did with options? Looking back at it now, bro, it's actually insane.
It was a wild run.
Dude, it's insane because
just
like
chill.
we could probably go back on to be profitable still, but I feel like I wouldn't be as near profitable as I am now, bro. It's just theta and all that comes with it. It's just it's added stress that doesn't need to be there.
That's fair. Wow, this mock is
Dude.
gonna send this shit so down.
Lento, someone in your Discord just added me, said, here's our idea, hear me out. Why don't you, Desi, and Brian start your own firm? You guys should all trade help with capital unlike Apex. You don't have to bid on traders. And like I think my response is like, I'd rather rob a firm than get robbed.
Yo, guys. All right, I'm gonna make a firm. 50K count is $1,000 though, 1% profit split. You might get a payout. Dude, running a firm would be the worst decision ever, dude.
if it's such a good tool where I like it to for you guys to make money, like the firm's gonna lose money unless they copy trade you, which is hard to copy trade too because like the evals are cheap, the funnies are so cheap. I think if it's more sustainable, where they have like a lot of 8-book traders and they rely less on like the evals and activation fees and more on like copying good traders, that could be something that works. But like right now, the current state with prop firms is all based off people failing to fund profitable traders, which 90% of people don't even get a payout. So that's a big figure already.
Yeah.
All right, so this is a 15-minute here. We're looking like we're trying to inverse this here. We went really shy of these lows.
NFP lows.
Dude, if that marks the low of day, PPI, I feel like it's gonna shoot for them.
I agree.
Pretty volatile move right now.
This is gonna get. I think it's gonna get very volatile towards the end of the day, bro.
Yeah.
Careful, guys. You guys are trading. I wanted a 15-minute to reject, but we didn't get no inverse off that or anything.
Good push.
Those ES equal lows, man. I really want to see a quick pop and run those lows before actually pushing back up because I'll be more confident joining upside right now. But for real, Lanto, how much holdings you got in crypto right now?
Enough.
You can give like estimate, like it could be like the first number. You just tell me your first number of it. Like if it's 100,000, you say 1.
Oh, you guys guess Ethereum coins, and I'll say higher or lower because I'm PR trained.
You get one guess, guys.
Fucking guy.
One guess.
Not the PSRS trader's guy of all time.
PSRS trader. Okay.
Yes.
No, I'm definitely not. I swear to God, bro.
Zero PR, bro.
When it comes to me, I'll literally say, I'll say whatever the hell comes to my
saw
mind.
a streamer said it, and he's like, you know what? Yeah, let's do this. PR train. Higher or lower?
No, Lanta got at least 210 Ethereum.
How much is the Ethereum? Like
100. I'll say 110 Ethereum.
I'm gonna say
21 ETH higher.
Guys, I'm full for Solana, so please pump the Solana coin. Thank
what did you say, Desi? How many do you think?
110.
110. So is that like 300,000 or no?
Yes, it's not too bad.
He said higher.
No, it's higher than 27.
Oh.
Or 21. Higher than 37.
I'm gonna say like 60. So you're like
Lower,
180. And
lower than 210.
210 is high.
210 is high.
My average is $1,300 per coin, by the way.
That's really good.
That is really good. But my Solana average is chalk, bro. I mean, I'm profit, but dude, when it gets down to the 120s, I get a little bit scared.
Dude, you know what's funny though? I think, dude, let's. Are you holding that crypto since like the time that we were talking with Dre?
No, I wasn't.
I think you guys were having an argument with crypto and shit like that.
Oh yeah, fucking scammer, dude. This guy goes.
Don't hold
so this
crypto.
guy
We can trade it.
At the time, his persona was he was a way better trader than us, so we would like hop on calls with this guy to take advice from him. And I'd be like, "Yo, bro, are you gonna invest in this next bull run?" He's like, "No, I'm not gonna do that." And I'm like, "Why?" He's like, "Just because I don't want to," or something like that. And I'm like, "Okay, bro."
Long story short, the guy had a 300 credit score.
Yeah. By the way, that guy that we were in the room with, he was a certified scammer. He ended up scamming people, which is crazy.
Yeah, that's also like signifies like where we can't trust everyone we see, and that's like
that was like our welcome to like welcome to like trading kind of community.
Because he'll Photoshop and do all these type of things, and like it's like what scammer would hop on call like at like 3 a.m. and stay on like talk like with trading like backtest and do everything with us for 6, 7, 8 hours a day.
So it seemed legit, yeah.
And then like he's do all his Photoshop and all that stuff, and some people back him. It's kind of wild.
Yeah, that he remember when he would like
look at chat, Ryan. I like that.
He would remember we would be on a call with him and he'd like take a trade and he'd be green. He's like, I just made a Richard Millie.
I just remember that one time where like I think we were playing like London Open, which I wasn't like aware of too much at the time. And he's like, okay, I'm gonna call which one I take because he takes top dollar trades a lot. And then once it opens at 2 a.m. or 3 a.m., whatever it was, he's like, long, long, long. And I was like, okay, let me just throw some in. And it just started dumping like crazy. And then he still somehow just posted a screenshot of like up 100,000 from that trade.
Yeah, oh god, he fucking. Oh my god.
That was crazy.
Dude, I
I'm
knew
the
he-
shorts right now.
I knew he was cap when he took. I think someone was like, "Yo, I'm gonna give you money and flip it for me," and it was like
Mhm.
2 bands or something like that.
I took it like 110K in like 2 weeks.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
like,
bro, like, yeah,
get the fuck
okay.
Out of here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys really can't trust what you guys see. Even like payouts traders and all that. Like, if you don't know how they're trading like that, they can post like, a lot of payouts. You don't
That's
know
why
how much they spent. You don't know how anything.
Yeah.
You don't know if
Yeah.
it's real. It could be Photoshop.
I
Live
wish.
trading is good. That's why live trading is good.
Yeah.
I wish like firms. I don't know. I think one firm does have it. Firms where they showcase like your total expenses paid and then.
Oh, I think yeah. My
amount of
Futures does
payouts.
that. No,
My
not my
Futures?
Futures. It just the FX, the sister or
Oh,
Forex
Forex.
version.
Forex. Their Forex version is pretty good too.
yeah. If they do that, I think my Futures I might be like 2 ROI right now. Like that's pretty bad because I haven't given that much
Dude,
time.
I think
with
my
Fund
funny future
Futures.
is my worst performing
Yeah.
out of all the firms.
Top Step is probably my highest. It might be like 10x at least.
How's this just go to? That's what it is.
It's really easy to just keep on pushing.
No, but I think in terms of Apex, this year, I think in terms of general overall with Top Step and Apex, I think I've done past like 10
400,
months.
500.
No more, but I've spent
A fraction, like 50,000.
probably what I told you. Remember I told you the number?
Yeah,
Like,
we
think
told.
it was
I don't
something about
remember. I think we talked about our numbers too.
So yeah, I think the past 10 months with Top Step and Apex combined, I think I've done probably a little over 600, but I've spent over 50K on evals.
Yeah, so like it's like pretty
What, like a 10R?
10 plus,
Yeah.
10 plus, like 11, 12.
Pretty good.
50K is crazy, but
What
there
was-
was a period though where I still do it now, but whenever I trade evals in intervals of 20. So I just don't have time to trade evals anymore.
Yeah. Thanks. So it's either blow or go. Like blow or go. That sounded so gay. It's either blow or pass on like CPI, NFP or whatever.
Yeah.
And sometimes, bro, you just lose all 15. I mean, we've seen it in Discord where I will post like, "Oh, dude, we just got wicked out. Like all the accounts are dead. It's like
Yeah.
$500 a pop."
Literally.
That's why you go into it not expecting like 100% pass rate or anything. It's risky with news itself. It could wick you. It could barely fill you out. You have massive slippage. I kind of go in like 30% pass rate. That's what I try to expect based on the data we get.
Yeah, I mean, I think props are just so good because it's so low risk for potential immense.
Yeah.
But we say that, but Apex is now, bro. Apex.
I hope
listen,
Apex can get this shit together.
I still fuck with Apex. I still have faith, even after everything that's happened. But they're starting to
It's
showcase
tough.
tendencies that ETF started showcasing on their downfall, which is just random denials, more denials,
Mm-hmm.
shitty,
little more
shitty customer
delays, too.
support. Yeah, more delays. They're just trying to find any excuse in the book. I feel to
What ETF
not
also
pay
did
traders.
was strategize was like, oh, your trades wasn't like it's like too much scratch trades. Take another 10 trades, which is basically the 2 weeks, basically 10 days. Take 10 more trades, per day, or 10 more total trading days. That just delayed the payout by almost another month.
Yeah, you could get like
So I'm
one
doing that.
payout per 3 weeks, which is pretty trash.
Dude, they done you so wrong, Brian, with the live account. They made you wait like a month and a half just for a 10K.
No,
account.
literally 2 months, bro. Not even a month and a half.
Dude,
Two
dude,
months.
Rage just got his today, and it's been like 4.
He got promoted live before me too, so like his is like 3 months probably.
That's
like a
insane.
whole
Just for a
quarter.
small account.
Yeah.
You know what's
So-
crazy, guys? You got a 10K account, right? And the rest of the profit you had left over, which was like what 40, 50K, got put
It's
into like a
reserved.
storage.
It's storage,
reserved?
yeah.
But if you blow the 10K account, so does the profits that you have left over.
No.
Oh, they don't?
It
Okay, I'm not-
replenishes it.
I read it wrong. I read it wrong. I read it wrong. Okay, never mind.
They just do that so they can like
They're-
not pay
yeah.
out as much as possible. So like they're like, okay, if you have like let's say on your Apex they switch you live with 5K profits or whatever it is, they're like, oh, we'll give you a 10K account. You have 49,000 in the reserve. If you lose a 10K, we'll just refresh. So it's a way from them like keep on like have the money still. It's within their hands. And then I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'm also curious about like me getting under review. I want to see your account investigation, see like what comes through with it. Just all these type of things. That's what we need to see before we can make a judgment on it, because it's way too soon. There's a lot of people asking like, oh, do you guys still like Apex? Do you like all these type of things? You guys think it's legit? Like, we don't know yet until we see the results.
I can't believe Lanto hasn't got a word back, dude. That shit's so stupid.
Yeah, it's been 11 days. 11
Then
days
you can't say anything or they ban you, dude. Like,
Yeah.
like, get over that, bro. Over that.
But I hope when they do revamp, I hope they take away a lot of the power tripping mods. Because half of them are good, the other half, or maybe even a quarter, is really bad.
Dude, fuck
They
that
gotta-
essentially. Dude, essentially just up your support staff. Like, your support
Yeah.
staff's so shit. Like, you
They're
guys are
fine, man.
you guys
they-
you guys are on the brink of being $1 billion fucking dollar firm, and you guys have shitty staff.
Mhm.
How does that make sense? You
They're
know?
probably increasing the staff like each month though, but it's still hard for them because Forex was doing bad. Everyone switched over features, and Apex was just like the leading firm there, so they probably like 5x their users in like a few months, and like it keeps on growing and growing
No, yeah, Apex.
until like it has problems now, which it does.
Even with their
More
issues
more
now,
problems.
yeah, they're still by far the best firm in terms of scaling purposes. There's no firm like
Yeah.
it. That's why I'm still on it. If I swear to God, if Top Step or MFFU, if they offer 20 accounts, I would not be on Apex. You would not see me on there anymore. But since they do offer 20 accounts, scaling is just so much easier. So much
That-
easier.
What do you guys think if they do like a 300k account on Top Step? Is that somewhat equivalent to like 2 150ks? That could be solid.
Yeah, if they do 300Ks, 5 accounts, that could work nicely.
Yeah, it's almost similar to 10k account, and as long as they increase the scaling plan too.
Yeah.
Let me see the 15-minute. Yeah, we get a 15-minute close here. I'll like prolong to take out these eyes.
I have
But,
Apex anger
dude,
issues. I
ES
do.
lows, man.
Dude,
That's
you
crazy.
could ask Brian and Desi how much stress I went through when I got put under an
It's so much
investigation.
mental stress, man.
Bro, like
I-
I was destroyed.
I went through the same thing with ETF when they were fucking me over. Like, I don't know, it was like a year, 2 years ago, basically. Just anything that like affects your trading, like when like your profits that you made for like months and months is jeopardized. You're unsure that you're gonna keep it or get paid it. It just messes up your whole trading style or your whole
System,
mental.
yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Brian, if they leave these lows, this shorts the PPI, bro.
Yeah.
We're gonna come for these equal lows on NQ as well.
Dude, Lance,
Relative
no,
equal lows.
Desi, I think I sold my SQQ at the perfect time. It was like
The bottom.
let me see. I had it at look, it hit 770. I sold at 769. The rest of them, perfect timing.
That is a perfect timing.
We were talking about it in the morning when like it was nearly before it was like even red on the day. We were like, oh, we want like 770 on SQQ, and we're still like red on the swings. It's crazy.
That was such a good sell, bro.
Seeker, they only didn't pay me one time. Every other time I've requested ever in the past year, they've paid me out. It's just
That's
past
why
one
it's
time.
pretty decent to like keep on trying them, because you already got paid like $500,000 almost basically.
Yeah.
And it's still like you're in talks with Apex right now to figure it out, but that doesn't mean like your profit's still there until they say otherwise. Who knows what they say? It could be a misunderstanding, and they could like, oh, we reviewed all your information. We'll approve every payout that we denied you. They could do that as well.
Yo, Apex really had a chance to have like a 3-1 comeback, and I'm starting to believe in it just a little bit.
Why you say that?
I don't know. I just think they're gonna do it right, because bro, it's a big ass operation, bro. I don't think they'll let it.
Mm-hmm.
It's already caught so much slack, so they. And bro, maybe they come out with like some crazy new rules too. Like, Brian, remember the stuff the poll they posted? Maybe they're
Oh
cooking
yeah,
everything up
that'll
at
be a
once, bro.
boost. That's a really good boost.
I hate to say it, but I think a way for them to sort of operate better is if they minimize account cap. If they do it to 10, if they go from 20 to 10,
Yeah.
I think that would help them a lot.
I think 10 is good already. I would, because you can bundle that up with tops at 5, my 53. That'd be solid already. They even talked about it during that survey. They're like, what if Apex dropped from 20 to 10? Would you guys want that?
I would it personally, but they might just have to do it.
And they also need to fix the rhythmic servers. There's definitely some solutions that they could try to work on. They could put all the PAs on their own separate servers. They could create more Rhythmic servers. It could be like Rhythmic 1, 2, 3. They could try. I guess they've been probably trying to work with Rhythmic, trying to keep on expanding the servers, but it's not helping. And then also reducing the accounts numbers, max total is definitely a big factor, because every time Rhythmic does bad is when they have large sales and everyone's like buying like 20 counts, 30 counts at a time, and it overloads the servers. His equal highs above here.
Apex is running out of business. I don't think so.
I don't think so either,
Yeah,
because
I don't think so either.
I just know way too many people that are like net negative on Apex. More than people that are positive by a big margin. Just like when we take like big polls and all that. It's because the trailing drawdown really hurts people early on. Maybe when you first started trading prop firms, you were YOLOing, you were messing up, you didn't understand trailing drawdown as well, and now you're better with it. But that just means a lot of people still having troubles with it.
All right, boys, I'm gonna hop out of here. If you guys are still on in like 30 minutes, I can pop back in. I don't know, like how long is it on for, bro?
We'll probably end it at 3, like that 30
Okay.
mark.
All right.
I bet.
I'll
I
talk to
want
you
to
guys soon.
see we get something. One more trade going.
All right, later,
Yep.
chat.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Their PR team need to be fired. They have a lot of things to fix. Their Discord was also like, I think it's the right move to close the Discord, because it's just creating like bad behavior everywhere.
Look what Seeker said. He said, Apex, if you close their Discord, promise improving and coming back. I think they're gonna take all your money and close it for good. That's crazy.
Yeah.
I mean, that's a possibility, but Brian, you think if like, look, I don't know if I should say it on stream. If they close and like we dispute our eval charges, do you think we would win?
I don't know, like because that's a good question based on other forex firms. Because there's like many forex firms been shutting down. I had never experienced that before, so maybe like referencing the people that had forex before. Does anyone trade forex like SFT? Was it my forex funds? All those other firms that shut down. Were you able to get a charge back on them?
If they close down and if they rug pull, I could say 50K. I could rug pull myself and dispute all of that.
Dude, even
I'm
then,
kidding.
you already got like you're way
Way over, yeah.
10x over. Maybe you can dispute like the recent ones, but I don't think, like, since we trained Apex for years now, I don't know, you can just run it back 2 years back.
Yeah, it is true. Yeah.
But
I
that'd be a house if someone paid a lot.
Yeah, what if they shut down and because I this happened to one of the forex firms, right? There was a potential where if a firm shut down, they would ask for your payouts back or something like that, refunded to them.
Oh, that's I don't know how that.
What
works.
if they try doing that, bro?
How
Oh
would that
my
even
god,
work? Well, that's just
they would
no
just
one would
track
try to
your,
go.
I guess. I
What
don't
if you
know.
already spent it? Well, you could like have $1 million from payouts and already bought a house, bought everything. You have nothing left. You paid your taxes already.
Yeah, that'd be crazy. Nah, hell no. I'm fluking. I'm moving somewhere where you can't do that, you know? Because I am not giving back.
You just
It's-
disappear for the grid. Dude, that means
Dude,
you have
all
to sell some of your Ethereum to pay them back.
Dude, all the time and stress. Hell nah. Hell nah.
Brian is so optimistic with these firms. I don't think we're optimistic at all. I think we're using them until like there's clear red flags. Everything right now is speculation because nothing's confirmed.
There is subtle tells, in my opinion, but yeah, there's nothing
Mhm.
clear and obvious. Or do you have like
But-
Sage like talk about how like he has like information, but then
Oh
he
yeah,
says nothing
he's
about
just
it.
spreading fear. Basically, he's like, oh, by
Which is not good.
April, Apex is no longer a thing. They're not gonna have 20 counts. They're gonna be in money trouble. And like we're in July, they're I guess not doing as good as before, but like they're still offering the same things.
Yeah, it's just bad because that like instills fear, which can essentially cause tilt into traders. That's why I don't like him a lot. Is because that could really affect traders on the firm, which is not good.
Yeah.
It's like someone
what
fronted on
Apex is
top
do-
side.
All
Yeah.
the user base on Apex, they're like, oh, am I okay to trade with Apex? That's why you see so many people asking like, you guys still like Apex? Is it something we should trade? I heard payout denials, all these type of things. It's tough for their image right now. Have you seen their cash flow? Yeah, that's the thing. The cash flow, I think they released some numbers. It's crazy. And like cash out, which is like payouts and like, let's say paying their team, their business expense, is nowhere near it. That just goes to show prop firms, especially with trailing drawdown, there's a lot of people that are losing. And that's why we're streaming. That's why we have communities where we're helping people become profitable with prop firms and help train you guys, and get you guys that skill to be able to make money with prop firms.
Yeah.
So like, let's say Apex, like let's take the number 200,000 users. I think that's the number they shared months ago, or maybe it was a year ago. 200,000 different unique users that trade Apex, and I think it's always floating around like 90% of people get payouts. So that's a very small number, and I don't know what the number would be. How many people are profitable with Apex versus negative? It's probably gonna be like 80% negative. So the few in watching our streams, like a few hundreds, hopefully we can get you guys net positive and then some. That's the thing. We want you guys to get positive and then really run it up. So like 10x your initial investment.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I mean, Apex is such a they have the potential to go down as the greatest firm of all time. They really do. But they're not like locked in.
I don't know, like I feel like I want more of a representative with Apex. I don't know if Daryl's like there, like he doesn't have that image right now.
Yeah, Daryl's just...
You can see Michael Tech, he's there, and for my features like Matt Leach, he's there. Like anything that happens, he's the main focal point. But I think we're lacking someone for Apex. The mods doesn't represent them. The admins barely represent them. They need someone that can guide them and give them like
reassurance,
confirmation, reassurance, everything. And that's gonna be Lanto, guys. They're gonna hire Lanto. He's like, okay, stop trading with us. We're gonna hire you to be our spokesperson.
That'd be awesome if that could happen, but you know, I'm not getting paid millions of dollars like these other people. No, I'm not gonna say that. Yeah, there's some people out there who get paid big bucks to represent a firm. Not me.
You see their salary base, a commission base, which is like everyone gets commission, but salary base is that'd be crazy. Imagine that though, like Apex may offer you like, oh, we'll give you $100,000 a month, or not something. It could be something $100,000 a year to promote Apex, to talk good things about it, and you can't say anything negative. That'd be crazy. I don't know. I like to share both the positive and the negative. Because when Apex had denials, I was the first person to talk about it. And when Apex started having all these good deals, all these good payouts, I was the first one to share too.
Yeah, for me, I'm a weirdo, dude. As soon as like that denial stuff happened to me, I just lashed out on Twitter. I just went crazy. I was like, "What the fuck's Apex doing?" Like, just going, like, being like, "They're denying me for no proper reasoning. I'm gonna have to wait this long now. This and that." I don't know. I just.
Someone said, "Is this a sprint to breaking every rule of your excellent Apex contract?" Me and Lanto aren't tied with any firms.
Oh yeah, not at all.
That's why we're able to speak our mind.
People think we are influencer privilege. You know, we're tied to these firms. So
it makes good for their narrative, but like make it make sense. Like if we had influencer privilege, we wouldn't be worried with our payouts right now. Like Lanto wouldn't be worried. I wouldn't be worried. Like
yeah. If I had influencer privilege on Apex, you think I would have been banned off their Discord? No.
Yeah, they gotta make it make sense, man.
It makes It's because you know what happened that one time, Brian, where me and you both requested we got approved inside 2 days. People were like, "Oh, that's influencer privilege. That's influencer privilege." No, bro, come on.
There's a difference between just giving your code and commission base, and also we're partnered with some firms in the way of like, you know, help exposure for giveaways. Like I have that with my fun features as well, but nothing where it's like I have to be tied down to what only saying positive things.
Dude, I mean,
nothing really direct.
People say we're quote unquote affiliated with Apex, which can technically be true because we have an affiliate code. But anyone in their anyone in their moms could make an affiliate code right now.
Yeah, my mom could be affiliated with them.
Yeah, literally. So
the question is like, do we have any pull in the back end? I know we don't. We don't have
no. Bro, guys, trust me.
I wish.
I tried. Not more so try to get a deal, but more so like maybe to increase affiliate or a few different things.
That...
They deny it.
Yeah. We're more prop traders than prop influencers, I feel like.
Yeah, I'm more for the people than for the business, you know.
They're gonna Apex is recording this conversation. They're like, oh, they're breaking all the contracts.
Fuck that. You got Apex. Apex, you listen to this? You could ban me right now. I honestly don't give a fuck anymore. To be honest, ban me. I don't care, dude.
Why would you
leave right out of this. You ban me, honestly, because dude, the amount of shit you guys have made me go through for no reason, dude. Listen. I know I'm not I'm probably not a big catalyst to like their promotion, but guys, I'm generating Apex 7 million impressions a month on Twitter. 7 mil. That does something. And then when I get,
you give people like hope too, inspiration basically. They're like, oh, this guy took 20 counts and ran up to 500,000 profits and took 5K
but in a way,
payout, all these type of things.
But I'm promoting their firm while doing that, yeah. So people use it, right? People go on the firm from looking at stuff like that, and I've been treated horribly. And I'm not trying to play victim here, but it's been 2 weeks. I haven't got a response to the account investigation.
That's
so
it's tough.
It's about to be a month to where I have to wait for my next potential payout request, not even approval, because I know if I request now, I'll get denied instantly. Yeah. So
they really gotta speed that up. We have equal highs up here too. This could form a breaker because we took the equal lows, but equal high up here. I like these lows though. It's very difficult to maneuver here. I feel like a little bit tricky.
Yeah, good reaction here. We tap that fair value app slightly again. Does it sound like I'm screaming? I have my mic close or very close up, so I can back up. Probably sounds like I'm screaming, but I'm just being passionate.
There's a pretty strong displacement there. I like that. I like that for a retrace back to this fair value up here. You can look for a stop just right above this high. Still have plenty of lows down here. We'll see what this holds though. I should probably also be looking for upside if I see somewhat decent. If we go back to the 50 minute and get like nice reaction off of it, I'll try long back up. But I'm more interested in looking at the short right now. Looking at this breaker here. And the 1 minute is very tight, but
that could be really good too.
We got 52, 55. Other than that, like, I could try to look for longs inside this 50 minute though. I hope we get this short first. We're in this 5 minute here. Previous inverse coming back. It's at 34. And then we also have the hourly gaps that hasn't get touched yet. What? Midnight, why include trades by Matt here? What did he do? Someone said they want a lawsuit with Apex and trades by Matt.
What? Okay. I like TVM solid, in my opinion.
See this closure here. I have some at 55 right now, but I do not like that push out. That's a strong push. If we get closure of this break, I'm just gonna kill it. I'm gonna go with these equal highs. What a strong reaction today. It's so tough today. Other than like the trend, I'm trying to join in on it on a good moves, but all right, yeah. I'm just gonna kill that trade. I don't think I like that right here. Let's kill it here. I'm gonna wait for something else. Took 8 points there. I'm also trying to go for a big move though. I think like if I took that short, I'm looking for like another 20-30 point move down with aim for liquidity. I'm taking some small jabs, which is not going well. Let's use candle closure. Have that fair value gap. Coming back to entry. I'm not in it anymore. Pretty sloppy. I do think this could happen like previously before. If you guys remember in the stream earlier, we shorted 668. We got stopped like very tight because our stop was only like less than 10 points. And then it moved like 100 points towards our target. Our target was like 30-40 points already. This looks like it's doing the same thing, which is really, really tough. It didn't touch our stop though. I manually closed it out for a few points. Let's see what I get re-entry. See the 5 minute here. I like to move back to the 15 minute inverse here. Go long and strong micros. What do you guys think? You guys like shorts right now or longs? I still like shorts here. We did take these lows or highs above.
I want to see how we react to this small fire.
You said what, Lanto? I think you're a little bit far away from the mic now.
I want to see how we react off this 5 minute gap at 230.
I see it.
The inverses.
Three drive breakout. It could be. Moving pretty good there. This looks good for high right now. I think we're gonna get those ESIs. And we also got a jab above that breaker move. What are you thinking, Lanto?
I want to see a clear reaction off this 5 minute gap, then I'll just work off of that. For right now, it's just a little indecisive, in my opinion. If we bounce off the 5 minute gap and shoot over relative high, I think we could probably trade into that 5 minute gap and inverse that.
The 5 minute.
But okay, the 5 minute gap at we were looking at earlier.
245, 1245. Yeah. I think it does want to go for the equal highs on ES too.
But also, if we do flip here, inverses
we'll do the giveaway. We get enough likes, guys. It's at 72 right now. We'll make it easier if it hits 125. This is a little bit, it's not the best price action for me to kind of try to maneuver. There's other days that was much easier, much clearer. I'm trying to look at too many things, I feel like. There's nothing truly clear for me.
Very, very challenging.
486, someone said. Yeah, this 15 minute above. We got a nice closure on ES. We could, go for the 15 minute fair I got above. No SM2 these lows. What we could do is try to get back in here and then rip to the highs. This is looking good for a push up there.
If we shoot over this route of high speed, I think we really see a nice push. It's just kind of slow.
Potential breakout now. Been pushing. The 15-minute has been holding beautifully as well. Next 15-minute close in 2 p.m. here. Very, very strong push. And good 5-minute reaction there. I think I like the longs right now. I like for a try to push these highs. Get a move back. I want this to hold. We already inverse that one, that breaker. Long 490 easy. 490. Oh, the target. Okay. Yeah.
490 is at the midpoint of the 5-minute gap, or
I think somewhere around there, above that 15-minute.
not too shabby. Yeah, if we impulse past this route of 5, I think we'll get that. But got the impulse first.
I like 450 right now. It popped below 450 for long. Let's see, candles close in 1 minute here. I think we're gonna try to get a pop below 450 here. I'm gonna see if there's any. If we can just pop down and get closer above, I'm gonna try to long it. These highs, these relative highs in that 480 is gonna be trying my target there. We're not getting that, looks like. Hmm. 10. Let's see if we get SMT. If we do take these eyes first, which we're about to do here on into quite interesting move on into there. So we have somewhat of a breaker moved up here. Pushing into that 15-minute gap. Did not get the long edge I wanted there. Yeah, not the easiest day for me to just jumping in. Pretty sloppy.
It was kind of just slowly binding up here. It's kind of fine, so.
We'll get a pop or ES highs there, or ES equal highs here, double highs.
An internal high at 83 is a good target to profit on.
Dude, my ASCII exit was so perfect. is at 759 now. I got it at 770, 769.
Dude,
Really,
5%
really
in
good.
1 day off your long-term port is crazy good. That's really
Yeah.
good.
That's
Banter,
that's
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 par
the
right there you made.
yeah. Well, me and Desi was doing the same thing. I think he had both. He had options. He had puts, which is risky, and he also has shares. Shares like you can just hold. My target was that liquidity, the 580, I think, or 570. I think that's what we were talking about in chat this morning. Like, and we hope that CPI runs it, but then it just pops up like, damn. Okay, we'll just try to. I'll come around, and then we didn't expect it to come around this soon, but it did. Really did. What a good breakout there, guys. You guys got some longs there. I was able to. It's so hard to join in on these days for me. Like I'm waiting for like a nice retrace. Just do that. But then we had that breaker move. We're back in that 15-minute gap, which we took that 15-minute high here. Could be SMT. And we get a rejection here. Trevor, if we're talking about the large liquidity that I was swinging for my long term, this is what I showed in my Discord too. I like the 4 hour. Me and Desi held. Well, we averaged up though. I think the first entry was like 700. We averaged 800. We're right there. The main liquidity that I was going for was very clear. It was these here, 580s. Look how smooth that is. And after I move up, we were expecting news here. Very smooth. I got like half my TP at 580 here. It's not futures contract, so it's like less size. So even though I captured like 200 points, it was like 2% on my port at that time. Good pop there.
Yeah, there's that internal high. We sort of took and just reacted off of. If we close over here, get like a good closure, we're probably gonna fill that fair value gap full.
We're in that previous 5-minute breaker as well. The hourly is still bearish, I believe, and we're likely gonna try to go for the hourly top. That's 530 though.
I know, Ryan. I'm probably gonna hop off here.
All right.
Good freaking live session.
Yeah, not many trades like before, but it's just because of the price action day, not the cleanest for confidence wise.
Yeah, I was down to look for another trade. I didn't fancy anything A+. I think the inversion take that Desi had taken earlier, that was really good. But yeah, all right. Hope you guys enjoy your day. Hope you guys did well. And I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out, y'all.
See ya. This is a 5-minute breaker still holding still. The hourly still bearish. On that time we're still looking for rejection there. And we do have that 15-minute SMT, so if you think this high doesn't get tagged here, I like the NQ to rotate back down. 97 likes. I don't know if you guys get to 125 before anything, before the stream ends, we'll do the giveaway. Bye bye, Angry Lentil. Lentil is very passionate on some of the topics. It's a pretty good SMT so far. Tech is trying to rotate back up. That was a big sell anyways. Great TP on my port there. Kind of like this for a short right now. 5-minute breaker. Try to get 580 here or 480. I want to put my stop above this close above. Let's see if we get something like this. I don't know. This is power hour right now. I'm gonna try getting 580s, 585, the midpoint of this one. Maybe mark this. As long as we don't get candle closure above this 15-minute, I think I'm fine with trying it out. Looking for 85 here, 485. Alright, let's just slam this here. I'm gonna try to watch for this closure though. It's not the most cleanest setup right now, but we got SMT. We're in the 15-minute here. We filled it, took that liquidity. I want to see if we can come back down, but let's take it for scalp if I can. These lows. Pretty volatile last hour here. Let's see if we get that rejection, 485. We can even put a stop to highs. That's like 8 points. Well, I do not want to see it take another high. I want this SMT to hold too. Let's just bounce it around. Let's see if we can displacement through this low. Back up. Get that rejection here. We have some lower liquidity, but they've been holding pretty nicely. Even a retap to this breaker would be awesome, but I'm not too convicted right now with the way it's holding. Still holding phenomenally. Good conviction will be a closure under 470. That would make me feel pretty good for this low. It's 310. Wow. How do I feel like the live stream hasn't been that long? I'm likely not gonna hold for the stop. I'm gonna probably kill it before if you get close above 500 in this. All right, I want to splice through this low. Why did it go straight back up? That's so strong, man. If we take out this low, I'll put breaking the stop on. I don't want to regret anything. Back to entry 485 there. Look disappointed. And you did really rebound pretty nicely. It was the weaker asset, and it's coming hot. Coming really hot. Alright, let's see if we can take that low out. Just gotta break the stop if we do. This is what I have right now. I'll try to take one off here. Alright, one more breaking the stop. Took one for the last one's break even, but took one at this low for 10. That's gonna be likely where I put my stop originally, so 101. So I don't want it above 500. That's above the 15th bill. Broke this low. I need a strong displace. I want to straight down to 460 here. Try to hold through this if I can. Straight back up. That's gonna be the end of the stream if it goes take my stop. It's for sure gonna be the end. just don't want to see it back up at 85s. Especially 87, the midpoint of it. Nice 15-minute fair value gap. If we get a closure under this is beautiful. Keep in mind the basis of this short also stems from we got a nice SMT. We have a breaker that proves the work, and we just filled it more after taking that 15-minute liquidity. And as long as we don't get closure above 512, this short setup works. I'm refining it a little bit more to the 1 minute. I don't think I'm trying to stick around too long, trying to hold a big move down. So trying to treat this like a scalp here. Looking good, looking good. That push all the way to 464, baby. Where that order block is too, and also where the breaker is for me. 64. Take that slow out. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we can get it. Is that gonna end this in the stream here? Or not? Brush 66, missed it by 2 points. Okay, okay. Dude, what is my luck? I want to just get out of here so I get food. Execute at 85 this year. The basis of the 5-minute breaker. Which, I don't know if anyone's going to try to complain about the entry because it's been back and forth to our entry like 8 times. And I've been saying, I got 85, back entry. Oh, we're down. Wow, I really missed it though. That'd be a good cube. 3:15, perfect time to dismiss the stream. What's your average win rate? It's typically like 60%, 65. Come on, baby. I want 64 here. Oh, this is the. It should be 5 minute. Get this push. This music does help you focus a lot. I can send you guys a playlist. It's the same one I've been playing over and over, which is a good or bad thing. Let's see if we get this here. Come on, baby. I removed the breaker to stop, but I should put it back on just in case. I'll put it 82, whatever. Keep it. Looking for this breaker, looking for order block here. About like 20 points. 20 points exactly. Maybe I get 64. 21. That's gonna be my last trade, guys. That's it for you guys. I'm gonna end this and we're gonna be on for tomorrow. PPI tomorrow. If you guys want to be on Discord, I'm not sure if I'll stream it, but we're in general chat. This is exactly what I shared. There's a lot of people trading this CPI today, but I shared my entries in general chat as well as the premium here. And we talked about some things. Where is it? It's 8:30, right? I'm just gonna try to give the reference. This is what I shared of what I was supposed to take. CPI, a pop above the Asia high, which is 916, or a break below the Asia low. This is New York high, previous New York high. So about like 25 points away from current price action, we got a break above that 916 level, and then we ran it all the way up to like 980s. This was the first shot, but then when CPI came out, it came out much slower. Opened like I think in 70s, so we moved it to 890s. So fill at 890s and 90-point delivery up. One-sided delivery at that, which is beautiful, beautiful. And then I think the responses from that, 21 thumbs up. That's really good. I passed a lot too. 7 thumbs down. Really good news this time. We'll try to do PPI as well. I'll be on early. I don't really need much for PPI, but except the My Fund Futures, I'm gonna try to do some there. And that's the fill, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. 2 minis, 85 short, which had like I think I got on the retrace, so it had like 3 points drawdown. I took one at 77. I think that was that previous low. Should have been lower. 76, 75 would have been 10 points. But the second one though, nicely at 64. Beautiful. 20-point delivery. And that would end that. Press when you took that trade, guys. Let's see the likes. Let's see if we are gonna do a giveaway. 110. Should we do it or should we shave it tomorrow? What's your average risk reward? Typically, my stops are like about 10 points, sometimes 8, sometimes it's between 8 to 10, right? So let's say this is like a general example, 10 points. I would try to get one off at the next internal low. In this case, that was the internal low. It was 10 points, 1 to 1. It could be 15. It could be down here. And then I'll try to get the final target somewhere in the liquidity area. This is where I think it's going to bounce 64, just because we are going to be bouncing at this order block here. And this 1 minute breaker. And I still think we could move higher. And we do get a closure under this breaker. That's where I think this low is vulnerable. So it's kind of like, where do you think you want longs? I want longs here. Okay, if you think shorts are here, then we're going to try to take shorts all the way down to where we think it's going to long. And I could flip. I'm not that confident in the long though, but there it is. But yeah, if you guys want to tune in for PPI tomorrow, maybe we'll host a stream or we'll just be in Discord chat. It's literally the same thing. As long as you're not clueless on what's going on, all you need is like to know where the area that I want to play the upside and the downside. You should already do the math about the sizing and whatnot. We're gonna host another planning session, probably not tomorrow because most people already know what to do. But we'll try to do 1 to 2 planning sessions each week or each month. We'll probably have the next one mid-July. But that's a good way to end the stream. I think I took that 8 or 7 point loss here. That really helped out with that 20-point move. That's going to wrap it up. I wish we were able to get... It was 2 unlucky trades, though. I think this short here, 8 points. It didn't hit my stop, though, and it moved like about 20 points in my favor. 25 points at that. A short was like 8.55, I think, or 4.55. And it really spooked me out with a closure. That was stupid. If you move, if you're up 10 points, so you move your stop up or always keep the same plays. 10 points is not enough to put green stop. I would put breaking the stop. So same thing here. I think this is what we talked about, 85, right? If I took out this low here, I was gonna put breaking the stop. So this was my breaking the stop here. If I didn't TP out down here, which I won 64, I would got breaking the stop here. But this is a good pivot. This is a good area. It could dump more, but I feel really good about that trade already. That's basically it. Anything else? I'm so close to break even the other day. I'm like barely up. I feel like I want to get like 100 or 200 in. Happy belated birthday. Thank you guys. That was lots of warm welcomes and messages last night, yesterday. But yeah, today was difficult. Every other day of the week, last week was very easy. That's why we were able to get like 2-3 clean scalps without losing. Today definitely was able to take more losses. But the risk reward is still there. I feel like it's good to sell here. You did a great day with the loss. Yep. All right, yeah, that's good. That's good. I'll just end it here. Up $80 a day. Have a good week, or not good. See you guys tomorrow.